Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ. I believe this is the tech model, although I think they all, for us, for fitment wise, I think they're all the same. And this one's going to mount center, right in the bottom there. Okay.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to use a Torx T15 and we're going to remove the two factory screws. We will not be reusing these. That one out and take that one out.
Yeah, these are left and right of center.
Okay, then we're going to take our base plate and we're going to take a 4.2 by 30 millimeter screw, put it in through the base plate, and then put the washer or the spacer on top. Start that in the hole. Get her started. Grab the other one. Put it through the base plate, spacer on top, and start that one. Then you're going to use a 7 millimeter socket, and you're going to tighten her down. And these are going into a metal J-clip, so you don't have to worry about stripping them out, and you can put pretty good. Snug them pretty good. They should be nice and tight. And there you go, nice and solid. And you can take your front plate, you're going to line the rods up, pull the pin, get it past the rods, and just lock it into place. And there you go. That's just all it takes. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.